So we can say print, sorry, you can say print, then you put length, another bracket here, then you put the name of the tuple. For instance, in our case, it's fruit, right? So the moment you put something like this, then you run it, it will give you how many, what is the length of our fruit. Do you know why it's printed 3? Because it maintains this. It maintains this one. That is why they say they are unchangeable. You cannot override. You can only add items. But let us create another tuple and then we print the length. Let's say let's create a variable of items like birds, right? Then we say equal to, we create another tuple. Let's say, no, we shouldn't use birds. I don't know much names about name of birds that I can put in the list, but let us use numbers. Numbers, right? Then you put 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's maintain this. Okay, you print on this. You see the numbers are 1 to 10. So if you want to get the length of these numbers, then you use the method, right? Length, or the function length. Then you put another one like this. Then you print it. Then it will tell you 10. Do you now see how tuples cannot be unchanged? That is how it is. So this is how we use length. So what if we want to get the data type of a particular uh, okay, let's begin by creating a one item tuple. Okay, one item tuple. What is one item? A one item tuple is an item that has only one item. So this is one item tuple. Do you notice this comma? This comma is what makes it a tuple. Like this. Print the type, then it will tell you it is a tuple. But let's try to remove this comma. Then you try and print the type, then it will tell you it's a string. You see, it's a string here. But the moment you put this comma back, run it, then it will tell you that it is indeed a tuple. So next thing is we want to know tuple items. We want to know whether tuple can take multiple items. Let's say we create tuple 1, right? Equals to, let's see, these items, right? Tuple 2 equals, let's just use numbers, right? Then tuple 3 equals what? Let us use a boolean type, true. You see, so the moment you print on this, it will tell you that, well, the reason why it picks these two is because I printed the index of the first item. Let me remove it. Tuple 1. While for this, I've also printed the first item, which is 2. Remember, it begins with 0, sorry. which is banana, and then this it's printed tuple item 2, which is going to give you false. But removing it, you run it again, then it will give you all the list. So now it gives us this, right? So let's try to create a tuple that can combine all of this. Let's say tuple 4 equals to the merger of all these two. See, print it. You see, it actually takes Goruba one. Goruba is a string. One is what? Is a is an integer. True is a boolean. Two is an integer. Banana is what? Is a string. Guinea is also a string. So this is how tuple is. Then the next thing we will talk about is accessing tuple, as accessing and manipulating tuple and list item. I want us to finish with all the um uh, all the other data collection tools of a Python. That's list, set, dictionary, and then tuple. So now we've talked about list and tuples. The next thing is we are going to talk about set and dictionary. So if we do that, then we focus on how to access all these things and then the difference between the four. So this is uh, where we are going to stop. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Please do endeavor to like, subscribe, and watch this educational channel. It's very very important. You know, we are doing it for ourselves and for the sake of those coming uh, after us. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to don't forget to subscribe to, let me put it in bold, Kamagata Tech on YouTube. Not only subscribing, subscribe, watch. After you watch, and then you like and share. This is the YouTube channel Kamagata Tech on YouTube. Search for it, subscribe, and then watch the content. Thank you very much. See you next time. Peace out.